How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a new component in Fusion 360. Basically, doing this is extremely simple. Head over to your project and from here, right click on the unsaved option. Basically, this is going to be the file name. So as of the moment, in my case, it's unsaved. You want to right click on this option. And then basically from there, a new window will show up called create component right here. Now, in most cases, it will not show up because we are inside the part design option. So to actually change that, you want to navigate through document settings, click on the pencil icon beside the part design. And from here, you just want to change your design into something like a hybrid. So click on convert. And then now we have the ability to simply create a new component. In here, you can customize the component properties, but in my case, I'm just going to select OK. And now you can activate your component by clicking on this dot right beside the component option. And if you want to navigate back to your document, just click on the dot right beside the document file. So that's how easy it is to simply create a new component. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.